Before we proceed to our video, if you haven't subscribed to Bud TV, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. And visit our official Instagram page @_BudTV. That's @_BudTV. And make sure you follow our Instagram page.
27, I've got both of victim and the
guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Civic Express Mandaluyong. Kasama natin si Sir Marvin. Okay, Sir Marvin, okay lang ha, nakamask tayo ngayon kasi medyo gusto namin safe kami kasi COVID-19 season ngayon, so ingat lang din kayo. Anyway, Sir Marvin, paano nag-start yung business nyo sa Civic? How did it come out?
Well, simula pa rin na may tayo sa kotse. No, tapos there's this one client of mine I am actually a real estate broker as well.
Oh, okay.
So, yung main Ceramic Pro Philippines, client ko siya. Client ko siya since 2008, 2007. So, since nagbukas yung Ceramic Pro Philippines 6-7 years ago, nakita ko na yun. So, syempre, naiingit tayo. Gusto natin yung ganong negosyo din. Tapos, late last year, inopera niya ako na mag-start ng Ceramic Pro Express. So, yun, ginugol ko muna hanggang sa nagkapuhunan. Nagbukas tayo ng first Ceramic Pro Express here in Mandaluyong. Tapos yun na, we've been doing a lot of car services.
Okay. Sir Marvin, kailan naging operational yung Ceramic Pro Express Mandaluyong branch?
It only started last November, mga November 2019. So right now, we're still on our starting up phase. Pero luckily, medyo tinatanggap naman kami ng market.
Well, totoo yun. Kasi ako, I've only heard of them a few months ago dahil sa exposure sa social media, and nakita ko na kung gaano ka-intricate, kung gaano kaselan sila maglinis ng mga sasakyan. Alam niyo naman, syempre, para sa mga car guys na katulad natin, importante na malinis yung sasakyan kahit saan tayo magpunta. Kahit nga hindi madumi, pinapalinis natin, di ba? So, Sir Marvin, matanong lang kita, no? Just for the benefit of our viewers and subscribers, kung gusto nilang itry yung services natin dito sa Ceramic Pro Express, ano yung mga services na usually na ina-avail ng mga customers natin?
We have three main services. No? Number 1, car wash. Number 2, coating, ceramic coating. Number 3, yung mga detailing. So may mga special products tayo pero masyado ng isa-isa lang.
Yes.
No, pero ang main talaga natin, like what I've said, first, car wash. We have 3 types of car wash.
3 types of car washes.
Number 1, premium car wash. That's the normal shampoo, rinse, vacuum. Pero mas thorough tayo maglinis.
Okay.
In all our car washes, we use a 2-bucket method. Wherein you use yung 1 bucket for the shampoo and 1 bucket for the water.
Okay.
So banlaw-banlaw lang. So we also have a VIP car wash. Yun naman, kiniklay natin yung buong kotse. Tapos we use a special Ceramic Pro conditioner. That's a spray-on conditioner that we spray on the hood and the roof ng car to put some protection. No? Actually, medyo medyo magla-last naman mga 2 to 3 weeks yun. Kung nasa flow and close area ka, kahit mga 4 weeks magla-last yun.
Wow.
Tapos lastly, we have the VVIP wash, no? Yun naman, yung parehas lang din sa VIP, pero ini-spray na natin yung buong kotse.
Oh, that's so for the whole car na yun?
Yes, parang na siya ngayon, parang yan na yung replacement natin for wax.
Oh, okay. Okay. So magandang protection yun, and in my opinion, if you ask me, it's value for your money. Now, to check out dun sa mga ibang services nila na ino-offer, i-share nyo, sir, yung social media natin kung saan nila makikita yung mga detailed services na pwede nila makita.
We're on Facebook, just search Ceramic Pro Express Mandaluyong. And then we're also on IG, Ceramic Pro Express Mandaluyong, ganun din. No? So, yun, actually, doon naman tayo nagmamarket ng
Two basic platforms. Anyway, I'll just post the links below dun sa description nitong video na to. And ayun, sir, I'll give you the opportunity to invite our viewers and subscribers to try Ceramic Pro Express, especially if you're nearby Mandaluyong area.
I would like to invite you guys to try our services here in Ceramic Pro Express Mandaluyong. We're located at 269 P. Bernardo Street, Hagdang Bato, Mandaluyong City.
Okay, alright. So, ayun lang. Salamat sa nanonood sa inyo ngayon, itong episode na ito. Thank you, Sir Marvin. Pinalinis nyo naman yung sasakyan ko. So, kita tayo ulit. Para dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, VVIP TV, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. Okay? So again, mula dito sa Ceramic Pro Express Mandaluyong, we'll see you next time. Salamat, Sir Marvin.
Thank you din.
Thank you.